eternal time, Krishna is trying to understand what is that love running across the Chatak Parvat. He's running eternally across Chatak Parvat, running eternally across the beach at Swargadwara, where the Samadhi of Haridas is, running across the beach and plunging in the ocean, tossing in the waves, going to Konark, to Surya Mandir, washed up on the beach. Gaur Lila, it's Antya Lila Gauranga par excellence. Too deep, too high. That's why I say Gambhira. Everything about it is Gambhira. His room was a gufa, his room was underground. They show some room for the yatris to see, but Lord Chaitanya's room was under the ground, was in a gufa, Gambhira. Now you see some room like a jail cell or whatever. No, you go to Puri, Kashi Mishra's house. Radhakant Mandir, Kashi Mishra's Thakurji. But actually Lord Chaitanya stayed in a small cave room.